Morning class. As the chapter for your first unit test is chapter 1, 2 and 3 for English language. So we have almost completed the chapters required for your first unit test. So we'll be doing a revision to your first chapter. Okay. Now, how we are going to do a revision is you will take out your exercises of chapter 1, nouns, and whatever you have written, the exercise that I have given you to write, you will read along with me. Okay, pronounce the word aloud, and this way it will help you to memorize answers also. Okay, so shall we start? Your first chapter is nouns. It's a revision. We all know what is noun. Noun is a naming word for a person, place, animal or thing. So according to that, we are going to name some of the person, place, animal or thing according to the question that you have in this chapter. Your first exercise is work in pair. Think of appropriate nouns to complete the following phrases. Number 1, a slice of. So when we talk about slice, we know it can be a cake, it can be a bread. Okay, a slice of bread. A cake of chocolate, or it can be anything. A pinch of salt. A gust of wind. A ray of sunlight. A grain of wheat. A piece of paper. A blade of grass, or you can also write chopper, isn't it? A blade of grass or chopper. A pair of shoes. It can be a pair of trousers also. A coil of conductive wire. That was exercise A. Now, exercise B. Who am I? Now you have to understand the sentence and you have to give a name. I am trained to care for the sick or infirm. So who cares for the sick people? Nurse. Number 2, I have expert knowledge of one or more of the natural or physical sciences. They are called scientists. I sell goods and services to other entities. Okay, those are called salespersons. I create paintings or drawings as a profession. Okay, so those are called painter. I am the person who flies an airplane, helicopter, etc. Those are called pilots. I am the chief cook of a large kitchen staff. I am called chef. CHEF, chef. I am a public officer appointed to decide cases in a law court. They are called judge. I am the person in command of a ship. I am called merchant. MERCHANT. Now exercise C. Write the names of the animals that occupy the following homes. Okay, the first one has been done for you. Number 1, burrow. Who stays in burrow? Rabbit. Pen, ship. Hive, honeybee. Kennel, dog. Dray, squirrel. Ophidarium, snake. Rookery, rook. Eyrie, eagle or hawk. Byre, cow. Okay. Next one, exercise D. Match the sentence opening to an appropriate noun on the right, then read the sentences. Now here in your book, if you have your book or if you have written this exercise, I have asked you to match the sentences. But in tests, you might get only this portion, you might not get this. So you don't need to match it. You have to learn what comes, what is the particular name for this. Okay, so you have to hide all this and you have to learn by heart what does a photographer uses, what does an artist uses. So I might not give you this portion, your right hand side, okay? So you have to know by their names what do they uses, okay? So I won't give you match the following. Now you're class 6, I cannot give you all that, okay? So learn by heart. A photographer uses a camera. An artist uses a palette. Okay, what is this called? Palette. An accountant uses a calculator. A referee uses a whistle. A cook uses a recipes. A diver uses a scuba suit. How does it pronounce? Scuba suit. Okay. An explorer uses a compass. A doctor uses a stethoscope. How does it pronounce? Stethoscope. Okay. A surgeon uses a scalpel. How do you pronounce? Scalpel. A programmer uses a computer. An astronomer uses a telescope. A music conductor uses a baton. Okay, you see someone, like if you have seen it, baton is something a man is holding. Now you have an orchestra band. You know what is orchestra band? A group of musician, yes or no? So there will be one particular person, okay, particular person who will be holding a stick, a thin stick, and will be giving you cues. Okay, so you will play, now you will play. So one person will be standing and will be playing, not playing, but like he will be moving his stick, a thin stick. So that stick is called baton. Okay. Now E. Use the words in the box to answer the questions. So I have given you some clues over here. Now exercise. What do we call a person who is a fond of sports? It's called sports person. A person who writes plays, playwright. A person is in charge of a museum or an art gallery is called curator. What do we call? Curator. A person who hosts a show on television or on stage, anchor. What do we call? Anchor. Examines accounts officially is called auditor. Okay, this is not audition. Auditor. Okay, examines accounts officially is called auditor. Writes for a newspaper or magazine, journalist. Edits a newspaper, magazine, other periodicals is called editor. Guides or orchestra during a performance, conductor. Does clever tricks which appear magical, conjurer. What do we call? Conjurer. Travels into or through a country for the purpose of learning about it, explorer. What do we call? Explorer. 11 number. A person who is responsible for the production of a play, film, TV show is called producer. And the last one, a person who conducts sales at which goods are sold to the persons making the highest bid or offer is called auctioneer. What do we call? Auctioneer. Okay. So that's it for today. That's it for today. I want you all to again read it out loud, learn the spellings properly, and then whatever is there, do not skip anything. Go through the spellings, go through the answers carefully, and then do your test well. Okay, so your second and third chapter revision will be done very soon. Okay, thank you, students.